In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a donation form in Jotform. We'll start by creating a fresh form. Log into your Jotform account, click Create Form, and decide whether you want to start from scratch or use a template. If you'd like a quick head start, search for Donation Form in the template gallery and pick one that fits your style. Either way, make sure you select Classic Form. The classic layout keeps everything on a single page, which donors often find faster and easier to complete. Once you're in the form builder, open the Form Elements panel and head to the Payments section. Drag the donation element into your form. This is the heart of your setup. Click the donation field to open its settings. Here you can adjust the label to match your organization or campaign name and place it where it feels natural in the form. Next, choose how you'll collect funds. In the donation field settings, open the payment processor options and select one of the supported providers: Stripe, PayPal, Square, or Authorize.net. Click Connect, then sign into your payment account to authorize the integration. Make sure the provider you choose is available in your region and compatible with your nonprofit or fundraising needs. If your payment processor offers a test or sandbox mode, it's a good idea to use that while you fine-tune your form so you can safely run a trial transaction. Now configure the donation amounts. In the donation settings, set a few suggested amounts, such as 500, P1000, or P2500. Thoughtful suggestions can nudge donors toward common giving levels. Enable a custom amount so supporters can type in any value they prefer. Choose the correct currency so there's no confusion at checkout, and set minimum and maximum limits to prevent typos or unrealistic entries. A short description in the field can also clarify how funds will be used, which helps build trust. Finally, add donor information fields to support receipts and follow-ups. Include full name and email so you can send confirmations. Phone number, address, and a message or comments box are optional, but helpful if you provide physical acknowledgments or want to capture notes from donors. Mark the essentials like name and email as required, and keep optional items clearly labeled so the form stays friendly and quick to complete. With these elements in place, your donation form is ready to accept contributions smoothly and securely. Take a moment to review the layout, preview the form, and you're all set to start receiving donations.